Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make electric oxygen for fish. Providing adequate oxygen is vital for the health of your aquatic inhabitants. While air pumps are common, generating oxygen electrically offers a precise and often more efficient alternative. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring your fish receive a steady supply of this essential element. We will cover the science, necessary components, and crucial safety measures to help you succeed. The core principle behind electric oxygen generation is electrolysis, a fascinating chemical process. When a direct electrical current passes through water, it breaks down the water molecules. Specifically, at the positive electrode, called the anode, oxygen gas is produced. Simultaneously, hydrogen gas forms at the negative electrode, known as the cathode. This separation allows us to collect the oxygen for your aquarium, providing a clean and direct source. To set up your electric oxygen system, you will need a few key components. First, a low-voltage direct current power supply, ideally between 6 and 12 volts, is essential. Next, acquire 2 inert electrodes. Graphite or stainless steel are excellent choices. You will also need a small, sealed chamber to safely collect the oxygen gas. Finally, standard aquarium tubing and an air stone will efficiently diffuse the oxygen into your fish tank water. Safety is paramount when working with electricity and gases. Always ensure your setup has excellent ventilation to prevent any buildup of hydrogen gas, which is flammable. It is critical to use only inert electrodes to avoid leaching any harmful chemicals into your aquarium water. Regularly test your water parameters, as the process can subtly change water chemistry. Begin with a very low oxygen output and slowly increase it, carefully observing your fish for any signs of stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.